Here, lotion, vaginal wipes, like all kinds of things.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
So this is my makeup vanity right now. Don't judge me, judge your mama. But these are my makeup brushes are dirty. Like everything is just all over the place. I got my wallet here. I got mustard here. Lotion, vaginal wipes, like all kinds of things, just all a hanger, just all kind of things. So I need to just clean this out. This is like my hair and tote bin and stuff like that. That's another bin over there. So I'm just going to clean up this corner of my room and just really just declutter it and make it refreshed.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh.
Okay, so this drawer, it doesn't come out all the way, but this is pretty much all the stuff that I am keeping. All of the lip stuff that I kind of go towards, primers, concealers. This is my favorite setting spray, foundations, highlighters, blushes, things that I do use, things that I would normally gravitate towards. And then these are like my Morphe bronzer, setting powders back here, pressed powders, things like that. These are just tweezers. That's the stuff that I kind of normally that I go for. So this I'm gonna make this look pretty, but this is what I have right now because I got rid of all the other crap. And then these are the palettes that I'm keeping. I didn't get rid of anything. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I got this a couple of years ago. I haven't reached for it, but I do want to keep it just because I do like to play in makeup. I just haven't done it in so many years, and I think that this is a good palette. I could gift it to somebody because I haven't really used it, but I do want to keep it because I do like the colors in this shade. Of course, the Juvia's palettes. I'm not getting rid of these. I love these palettes. The Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I think this is a very, very cute, festive palette. And then, of course, the Morphe palette. I forget which one this is. 350 palette. This is the Nature Glow palette. And this is the one that's like just very neutral. All the brown shades. I love it. So, yeah, I'm keeping these palettes. I had a bunch of like Ipsy makeup bags that I used to get them Ipsy subscriptions like every month, and so I had a bunch of bags, and so these are the ones that I'm keeping. I keep these in my purse when I'm traveling. I utilize these bags. So these are all the ones that I'm keeping. Well, this was gifted to me, but hold on, is this 2, 3, 4? So these are the 4 that I'm keeping. These are good to keep in your purse to hold, like, you know, your everyday travel, everyday makeup stuff, pads, whatever. I keep these in my big purses. And then these other bags are just like things that I travel with. Just things that I travel with. I cleared out this case. This is what I used to have in my other apartment. When I would do my makeup every day, I would keep all my everyday essentials in here. So I gotta kind of fill this back up with everything that I gravitate towards, put it in the bathroom. Brushes are dirty, but I just got rid of a lot of brushes. These are the ones that I decided to keep. The ones that I don't use, besides my clean ones. And then let me show you the stuff that I went through. Hold on. So I put everything in the bag, and this is kind of what I have. So this Ziploc bag are all the used stuff. So here is like nail polish, the Wet n Wild spray, old lip liners and eyeliner pencils in there. I'm not taking everything out, but and this is all my new makeup. Like, y'all, this is all new makeup that I have not touched, used, anything. Like everything. This is everything in here. everything new. Then I got some jewelry in there that I'm gonna give away, notebooks, like journals. I have so many journals, old Bath and Body Works perfume that I barely use, lotion, things like that. So yeah.
I've been blowing through the money like you're growing cheese. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on a Tampa, got me burning up. Shorty say she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, okay, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bottega shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put her on the team, got a great bench. Linking with the ops, bitch, I did that shit for Jay Prince. Bitch, I did it for the Maltese. Feel like 17, 2 first frog eyes. And I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit him up one more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place. But I got these diamonds on my neck, so it's a blind date. All my niggas on the roads, raising up the crime rate. Your name not ringing out here, it's on vibrate. And she took a skull, now shorty gotta hydrate. And he did some dirt, now my Cody gotta migrate. Probably won't see him for some years. When I do though, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Hey, Cody, turn me. Hey, yeah, what? Cody, turn me. What?
21. In the drop top Benz like it's 03. Had the shooters aimed down from the nosebleeds. Gotta get this passport, keep my nose clean. Bitch try to burn me up. Keep a man a tuck. Yeah, I never slip. SF90 rims red like a poker chip. Rich as hell, still hood in the stroker zip. Pink slip in the glove for the ownership. Limping with the 30 on like a broke hip. Red flag giving blood on some donor shit. All the ops get a bullet on some Oprah shit. Went from Angel Town to States to a bigger state. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed.
I'll remind you, just as life or death, you got to make it mine.
Brushes, which I have to clean. I just love that it spins right there. My mirror, my fan. I got this. I am going to keep this makeup brush holder, or whatever brush holder. And then this is the setup that I got, and I'm so glad that I went with this because it fits literally everything and I love it. So I have lip stuff up here, Carmax foundations. If I get more foundations, they'll go in here. So it's kind of empty. My sprays back there, right? Extra lip stuff right here. Primers right here. Oh, primers are right here. Everything eye stuff is right here. Lip pencils, eyebrow pencils are in here. Concealers, all things powder in here, setting powder, bronzer, all of that in there. These are my blushes and highlighters, and these are my big palettes in here. So it worked out very much great. I'm just like loving it. It still looks a little messy because I've just been doing so much stuff today, but yeah, it looks so much better than what it did, and I'm happy about that.